is the Iron Trader. The pits are going to close here in about 30 minutes. So as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, monitor the ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, the EIA report came out today, and they had a huge draw in crude oil, over 9 million barrels, a draw in gasoline. And so it was very, very bullish. You can see where crude bounced off the support level and then ran right on up. Okay, so let's look at here daily chart. So your price channels here, if you watched my video this morning, always watch these channels here. 75.06 is the top, 66.80 is the bottom. Now, today, I put in a lower low at 67.05. But if you look at that here, you know, you're sitting 67.35. You got 67.15. See, you're holding all these key support levels here, and then your main one here is the 66.80. So that held it up real nice here. So we have like a sideways action again. Okay, so never get too complacent. Says, oh, this is going to go here. No one knows where it's going to go. Just trade the charts, and you will make money. All right, so let's look at the upside. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so we want to look here at this 21. So now I'm 21 sitting at 70.19, and then we look at your 8 SMA here, you're looking at 70.15. So these two levels here are going to be very, very key resistance here. Now, if it can get above that, then we'll look to this candle right here. You're looking at 71.15. We have 72.03. We have 72.38. And then we have your big 50 SMA up here sitting at 72.20. That would be the target. Obviously, if you can go higher than that, then we have your 100 SMA here sitting at 74.16, and then your big retest there sitting at 75.06. But remember, always take level to level, okay? Because a lot of times, if it pops up and it doesn't hold that, it will sell right back down. Okay, so always watch those key levels. And on the downside, watch this 66.80, okay? If that is lost, then we go to the left of the chart here, and you look at 65.65. We look here at 65.38. You have 64.36, and then your big retest here is 63.64. If this is lost, I'll show you on the weekly chart. It's going to go down to 61.74 will be the target. And then if that's lost, you could be down 56.58 area real quick, okay? But let's not worry about now because your price channels here are still holding up really nice here. Just watch the key 21 estimate and your 50 estimate. Now, so what I don't like here is see how downtrending this is, the 200-day. See your 100-day, your 50-day, and now both of these, your 21 and 80. I just don't care for that. That's not usually a bullish sign, okay? You want to have just the opposite, have that rising up for that to go higher. But, you know, again, it doesn't make no difference long if we go long or we go short. All we're doing is just, you know, trading support and resistance. All right, let's take a look here on the weekly and the monthly. Okay, your monthly chart. Well, it's holding up here pretty good. So you got your top there, you're looking at 72.73, and then your bottom here, you're looking at 66.06. So when you look at this here, see, you're trading right between the 50 and the 200 SMA. Okay, very nice. But you notice that, look at where the 8 SMA is. See, it just can't get through. If it can close above, then you got 85.15. That would be the target. Big if here, because right now, look at this. How many months here? Just right below it. Okay, so let's look here at your weekly chart. Now, your weekly chart here, your key level that I'm always pointing out here is this 200 SMA. Now sitting at 67.52. That's holding up nice. It went right down, went lower, but see where the close is. Okay, so now on the upside, you want to look at this key level here, this 8 SMA here. Now you're sitting at 70.98. And obviously, if you can get higher, then we look to this candle here. You're looking at 72.03, 72.72, and then your big target there is 74.17. That is your 21 SMA. But if you look here on this 21, look at all the weeks here. Just cannot do anything. But again, if it does close, then we look at 70 993. Then we look at your price channel up here sitting at 83.53. And then right above that, we have your 100 SMA here at 84.83. So it's always just level to level, okay? But watch this key support right here. This is sitting at 67.52. That is your 200 SMA. All right, let's take a look here on the old natty gas. Okay, natty gas, we have your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Okay, so yesterday, I pointed out, see, had a nice sideways action. Today, she popped right up, right through that, hit 2.878. Okay, that's good. Could not hold it. Look at that. See that topping tail? Boom, came right on down. Okay, so now you lost all this support here. Now the 50, the 21, that all becomes resistance here. Now, same way with this 100 SMA. So now it just looks like you want to tag this 200 SMA here sitting at 2.65. And then here on the 4-hour chart here, you got 2.66. So it's right in that same area there of the 50 SMA here. Now, 2.685. So you have to look at this candle right here. See, what do you have? 2.685. That's the big retest right there. Okay, so you've already retested that. This was a double top, came down, and then went right back on up here. So watch these key support levels here, because if she keeps on rolling, if you lose this 200, then you could come right back here and test this 2.52. Let's take a look here on the old daily. Okay, the daily chart there. You had 4 really nice good days. Yesterday we had an inside day, and today we had a big red candle. So the key is going to be, if you watched my video this morning, is you want to watch this key 8 SMA here, sitting at 2.65. That is going to be key. Now, again, if that is lost, then we just go down to the next level. Okay, so you're sitting at 2.432, and then we do is we go to this 100 SMA, 2.36, and then you also have 2.36 basically on your 50 SMA. But the key is going to be this 8 SMA right there. Okay, if that's lost, then look right for that 21, because that's where she's going to go. Now, on the upside, if it can get back above that price channel, okay, sitting at 2.816, then we go right to the left of the chart here. Okay, you got 2.839, you have 2.863, and then this is what we're looking for, is a 3.027 on the upside. Okay, but right now she's not looking too good. You hit the 70 RSI here, very close to it, and now it looks like she's rolling on down. Let's see what she looks like on the weekly and the monthly. Okay, your monthly chart, real nice. Sideways action, still got a nice green candle so far here for the month. This, not looking that great, but not looking that bad, okay? So here on your weekly chart, what you want to do is you have a nice crossover here. So on a support, look for that 8 SMA, okay? So you're looking at 2.47, and then you look for 2.39, your 21. That is going to be your key support level. Obviously, if it goes lower than that, then we start looking to the bottom of these candles here, okay? Follow the candles all the way on down until you hit the retest here at 1.94. Now, on the upside here, there's this candle again right there at 3.027, and there's your price channel, 3.027. So you're stuck right in the middle there. I wouldn't get too excited there today. Natty Gas had a pretty good run here. Let's see if it can go sideways and then maybe catch a little momentum on the upside. All right, I will be back tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock, and we review crude oil and natural gas, and thanks for watching.